I want to give a little demonstration on dive bombing. There's other videos out there, pretty good videos, but I just want to give my own little special Mark Tool Talk take on dive bombing. So if we take our wagtail squeegee and we just kind of tilt it to one side and we go down, you can see we've got a lot of water along the edge here. And yeah, sure, we have detailing towels, but you don't want to have to go through so many towels during the day. It's a waste. It's also a waste of time to spend that much detailing. So let me just soap up the window again and show you the difference when you dive bomb. Dive bombing basically means instead of doing a slight angle or doing straight, you're going right down sharp. And when you go right down sharp, you'll be amazed at how much cleaner this window becomes. So there's that sharp angle. Now let's take a look at that edge. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Just a little bit up at the top here, where I was at this point, and then later on I got to the dive bombing. Where I got to the dive bombing, that's where it's nice and clean. Where I was a little bit, just like that, it's a little bit of water left here. But dive bombing definitely is the way to go if you want to minimize the amount of detailing. Thanks for watching.